What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Lou Bar's Garage. I am your host, Luis, and today's episode is going to be a fun one. We're going to be working on the wheels on the Honda, and we are plastidip the wheels today. We got some vintage gold plastidip that we found off of eBay. Now, this is an older colorway, and I haven't seen it in a long time, but luckily eBay's got all the good stuff. So here it is, guys. We're going to be doing gold today. It's gonna look awesome with the color of the car. I'm gonna take you through the process. It's kind of a long process, many steps to it, but when you do it right, it comes out really cool. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this thing started. So here we are. We got the car into the garage, and what we need to do first is we need to go ahead and jack up the car so we can go ahead and remove the wheels. My wheels have a special wheel lock. I grabbed that from the inside glove box. And I do have a 3/4 socket here, and also we do have a breaker bar. So what we're gonna do first before we jack it up is we're gonna go ahead and break these lug nuts loose. So that way when we have it up in the air, we can just zip them off. It'd be a lot easier. So now that we got all the wheels off, we're gonna go ahead and clean them, make sure they're nice and free from any dirt or grime or debris. So that's what we're gonna do next. All right, guys, so now that we have the wheels free from any dirt and debris, now it's time to add the index cards. Now there's a few different methods to do it. I've always used what's called the index card method. Basically, you just buy a packet 3x5 index cards and you fan them around the exterior between the actual wheel and the tire. And I'll show you what that looks like. So here you go, guys. This is what it looks like when you put the index cards in between the wheels and the tires. And what this does, it helps prevent any overspray on the rubber tire. So because plastidip is rubber, the tire is rubber, could be a little more difficult to take off. So this is just another method to prevent any overspray and kind of keep it inside the wheel. Now, without further ado, it is time to begin to spray these wheels. Okay, guys, so we are ready to go ahead and start putting on the first coat, and I'll walk you through the process of how I go about it. First, I go around the perimeter to make sure I get the lip. The lip is the part that is the most difficult to paint in the sense of durability in the future, because it does have those hard lines. It can be inevitable that the plastidip begins to be compromised first on the edges. And anywhere really where you have hard lines, make sure you get that lip really well and evenly sprayed. The first coat, you don't want to saturate the whole entire thing. You want to give a good light coat as your first coat, because you're going to be building upon that layer upon layer. Because if you do saturate it right away, it could run and then it hardens that way and it just looks bad. So make sure you do a good, nice, even light coat for your first go. All right, here we go. Well, here's the result. As you can see, they are now gold and they look pretty awesome. We're gonna go ahead and remove all the note cards from around the wheels and tires, and we're gonna begin to mount them back onto the car. We just got finished reinstalling the wheels onto the car, and this is the result. Boom. Yes. Gold. I love gold. Those of you that seem gold member. Anyway, I think it turned out pretty rad. I think it fits really well with the color of the car. Yeah, dang. That looks tight. I love it. Looks great. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And as always, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It helps me grow this channel to bring you more content. And with that being said, guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you then, or we'll see you another time.